When taking an iPhone portrait photo, you always have to think about the background and the sun location or else it won't be flattering. Try this with your iPhone instead. Let's move Samantha and Molly into a shaded area and find a background that is beautiful. In photography, always think about lighting, shadows, proper compositions like the rule of third, and the background to tell a story or capture an emotion. On your camera app, switch to portrait mode and use 2x. Tap on the F icon to bring down the aperture to make the background blurry to your taste and create a beautiful bokeh. Take the shot. This photo is amazing, but you can take it a step further and switch to 3x or 5x depending on your iPhone and walk back to fit your models into the frame. This compresses the background, so if you want less distraction and add more focus to the models, this is the way to do it. Take the shot. Let's edit. You can always readjust the aperture if the background was too blurry or not blurry enough. Go to the cube icon and select Studio Light. For twilight photos, I love to use Vivid Warm Filter to bring out the warmth of the sun. Bring up the brilliance, pump up the contrast, add a full vignette, crop vertically, and now you have an epic professional portrait taken straight from your iPhone. Share, follow, and like for more.